Welcome to this charming Burlington home, where comfort and convenience meets modern updates. Loved by its current owners, this home is ready for its next chapter. Step into the recently renovated kitchen. With new countertops, backsplash, and all the essentials, it's a chef's dream. The open layout flows effortlessly from kitchen to both the dining and living rooms. Perfect for entertaining or keeping an eye on things while cooking. Enjoy the newly renovated bathroom featuring a stylish tiled shower and an oasis for after a long day. Both bedrooms offer cozy retreats with new sliding barn doors and windows, adding charm and character to each space. The attached oversized garage ensures your vehicles stay clean during winter, while the partially finished basement provides extra space for rec room, hobbies, or a home office. Located near public transit, the Burlington Bike Path, Lake Champlain, and just an hour from top ski resorts, this home is perfectly situated for both relaxation and adventure. Don't miss your chance to own this beautifully updated Burlington home. Schedule a showing today.